welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a master bedroom clean and declutter. I have a lot of drawers that I need to go through. I have a lot of clothes that I need to get rid of, things that I don't wear, things that don't fit, just things in general that I need to let go of. I have some bedside tables that I need to go through as well. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to do a video for you guys. So if you need some motivation to get some cleaning and decluttering done of your own, this is the video for you. So I've got a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to go ahead and throw my hair up and get right on into it. So let's get started. So here's an overview of what I'll be working with today. Like I said, I will be going through my drawers, decluttering some clothes, getting rid of some trash in my bedside drawers and such. First, I'll go ahead and start by taking everything off the bed and getting that into the washer, and then we'll get into the decluttering and cleaning.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
So as I was going through all of this stuff, I had so many pairs of socks that I was going to get rid of. I had actually bought 2 big packs of socks for myself earlier in the year and didn't notice that they were the junior size. So they were so tight on my feet that I never even wore them. So I just went ahead and got all of that stuff along with some pajamas, night shirts, and things that didn't fit anymore. Went ahead and put those in a bag, and I'm going to be taking all of those to drop off at our local shelter. And I actually had one whole trash bag full of clothes just from these 3 little drawers, and a whole other trash bag full of trash that I had gotten out of the side.
seen it before. It turns truth into lies. Oh, but I won't back down. I must stay on this road. I gotta know what I'm about. It goes up and turns back down. We're all looking for the moment when getting used to not knowing when all the pieces fall in line. Oh, it goes up and turns back down. I keep searching for signs in my dreams back then. I don't know how to stop, 'cause it brings back the feeling that I can't reach the top now, even if I don't know how. It brings back the feeling that even if it all goes down, in the end I'll be alright. It brings back the feeling. Yeah. It brings back the
So once I got all of the drawers decluttered and cleaned out, I went ahead and got started on the actual cleaning. And I know you guys saw that fan. It was beyond filthy nasty. And I know I'm not the only one that has a fan that looks like that. Fans are just not my favorite thing to clean, but it looks a lot better now, and I feel a lot better now that it is a lot cleaner. So I know that you guys have noticed, and I've said a lot of times before, our room is not very big, so I try to keep as much stuff decluttered and cleaned up as I can, and it honestly makes the room feel so much bigger and brighter. I feel so much better once I do it. So if you've got a place that you need decluttered, go ahead and get started on it, because it's going to make you feel a lot better.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause You don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down as long as the stars.
All right, guys, so now everything is done. Also, in the middle of me doing all the decluttering and cleaning, I had been doing all of our laundry in between. It feels so much better to have all of this done. Now, I didn't do Ruben's side of the drawers and the big dresser because that's where all of his stuff is. He's going to do his stuff on his own. I hate to go through his things and possibly get rid of something that he didn't want to get rid of, but like I said, it feels so much better to have all of this stuff done. I have a huge pile of things that I can take and drop off to the shelter, and that makes me feel so much better. And then it also gives me a little bit more room to go shopping and get some new stuff. So, like I said, if you guys have some spaces in your house that you need to get decluttered, go ahead and do that because it makes me feel so much better looking at this. And I know that it needed to be done for so long, but I just kept putting it off. But I'm super glad that I did it, and I really appreciate you guys coming and watching this video. As always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.